Welcome to the latest episode of our Swiss travel series. This is West of Anywhere, and here's what's coming up. Today we're visiting the historic Giessbach Hotel and spectacular Giessbach Falls. Our trip starts from Brienz, a village at the foot of the Bernese Oberland mountain. We're catching the ferry from the Brienz ferry terminal, just a 2-minute walk from the railway station. The ferry trip takes about 14 minutes across the turquoise blue waters of Lake Brienz. When you reach the Giessbach Sea landing station, you can choose to ride the funicular up to the hotel and falls, or walk a trail to the top. We chose to walk the trail for the spectacular views of the lake and falls. The walk leads you past the base of the falls flowing into the lake and then along the lake edge. From here we start making our way up the steep winding path that leads to the hotel and the top of the falls. There are further views of the falls as you make your way up. The walk is quite steep. It takes about 15 to 20 minutes to reach the hotel. The Giessbach funicular opened in July 1879 to take guests from the Giessbach Sea landing stage to the hotel and falls. It has a track length of 363 metres and takes about 4 minutes to travel each way. It consists of 2 cars that can carry 40 passengers each. It's also Europe's oldest tourist funicular railway. At the top of the trail we reached the Grandhotel Giessbach. Built between 1873 and 1875, the elegance of its architecture combined with the beautiful surroundings quickly made the hotel a worldwide attraction. Up until the First World War, it was a meeting place for the rich and famous. Royals, aristocrats, politicians and celebrated artists spent their summers at Giessbach, enjoying the views of the lake and the natural wonders of the falls. Fans of the HBO series Band of Brothers will recognise the hotel as a filming location, as it featured in the final episodes of the series. After exploring the hotel, we follow the circular hiking trail that leads around and under the waterfall. The circuit takes about 20 minutes and loops back to the hotel. We recommend sturdy shoes as the track can be quite uneven and slippery in places. These spectacular falls plunge down a total of 14 steps before reaching the waters of the lake, a distance of about 500 metres. From here we follow the trail back to the Giessbach barn and the hotel. If you enjoyed this video, drop us a comment below, we'd love to hear from you. And make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss the next episode in our Swiss travel series. As always, thanks for watching and we'll see you west of anywhere.